Want to learn how to sweeten your video audio in 3 simple steps? Keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? Sandy here with Emerald Gate Studios, and today I'm going to give you 3 easy tips on how to sweeten your video audio in Adobe Audition. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. All right, so let's dive right on into this. Wow. All right. Okay, so here is the original. Lying in my bed and hear the clock ticking. And let's start adding some effects. So the first effect that I am going to add is the normalize effect. So we're going to go over here to amplitude and compression, and then we're going to go over to normalize. And what normalize does is that it evenly adjusts the volume at its highest peak. So this was recorded a little low, so this would be the highest peak right here. So it's evenly going to adjust the volume. So think of it as, you know, a gain or a volume. And I like to set mine to 95%, but between 93 and 98 sounds pretty good. So there we go. And let's hear how it sounds. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you. Awesome. All right, now the second effect that we are going to apply is the de-esser. And we're getting amplitude and compression. And we're going to hit de-esser. There's a few presets. I like to keep mine between 4,410 to 7,000. But depending on your project, you choose the one that's right for you. But I'm going to keep mine at this one, and we're going to apply it. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you. Already sounds cleaner. And now the last effect that I'm going to apply is the studio reverb. So we're gonna hit the studio reverb. There's a bunch of different custom presets that you can apply to your project. I always like playing with the outside club one. I always think it's fun. And I just like to play that for fun. But I have a custom preset called Inside Cover Song. There it is. And I can write down these settings for you in the show notes and put it down below. But I made a preset, so all I have to do is just play with the wetness. So what reverb is, it's an echo. It adds an echo effect to your clip. And it's very easy to overkill. A lot of vocalists like it. But I like to add just a little bit of it to sweeten up the sound. So let's play around with it here. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. I think it sounds good at 20%. Not too much and not too little. So I'm going to apply that. And now let's hear how it sounds. Lying in my bed and hear the clock tick and think of you. And there you go. 3 super easy, simple effects to add to your arsenal to make your project sound just a little bit better and just a little bit cleaner. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and for more content like this, hit the subscribe button with that little bell next to it. See you next time.